Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodel.com. We are seeing a series of tutorials about different tools and tricks available in Revit. Today we are going to discuss about the Align tool within Revit Autodesk App Store, which is add-in for Revit. So if you're not subscribed to BIM do subscribe and share it with your learning friends. We're doing continuously about Revit and other BIM tools as well. So with that, I'm going with Revit project 2020 I'm using, and this add-in which supports it till 2025. This was I'm using way back 2018. I think I'm using this tool very useful when you are going with the manual alignment of a tool. This is the tool that came in the beginning for aligning tags and other elements in the project. Is a very useful tool. Previously, it was there only these couple of elements options to make it. You can see that there is an example that we have. The tags are available, and there is equipments are available. You can select the tags by holding the control keys and select it. So this is how it was there from the beginning. So if I give align tab, all the tags, control Z, and I don't want to select the equipment, only the tags. So I'll go with the align top. So whatever the topmost element, it will align with that, and it goes to that till that end. So similarly, you can select the equipment as well, and you can select like these, and you will be able to go to the align top or bottom option so that it aligns properly in a right position. So after that, you can do the tag options so that it maintains the distance. So this tool is very useful even if you're working with uh, Autodesk tagging or element. It could be any elements or air terminals in the project will be very useful. And if the distance between these equipments are not maintained properly, you can select them. You can simply click distribute them horizontally. These are the common tools which is available in all the softwares, especially in Word, Excel. In the dialog box, you can do that distribution as well. So this works here as well. So the same way you can do it for the other elements as well. So I can go ahead and pick the equipments one by one, and I can go ahead and say top, or in this case align bottom, uh, and I can select the tags, and I can say align top like this, and we can have our distributions. So also we have a new options in this. You can see that untangled distributed way that we wanted. Better example could be this, like these, one after the other it goes like this. So you may have to apply the leaders as well. So this is the arrange tag is very useful when you are going with crop view region is enabled, and you have the crop. You must have a crop region, and you want to align the tags outside of the crop region. So there are many plugins right now available, but this tool aligns all the tags outside exactly aligning with the crop region that we have. So detail views and other views can be more useful, and you may have to move a little bit to align with your leaders and make sure making it straight. You may have to work on, but still, this reduces pretty much more work for our time. It saves more time with us to work with tag alignments. So same way we can select all these, and I can go ahead and I can say horizontally alignment, and it's interpreting the positions of it. It goes by one. Uh, like you can see the distance. It maintains some distance between the elements one after the other. Like these will have a distance. So this is how it aligns actually. So these vertical and horizontal options. And this is very useful tool, and it comes once you install that add-in, it's free, and it comes under the add-in tab and comes under clear, and you can drag it out and you'll be able to see the names properly. If you don't have much plugins, you will be able to see them properly in the place itself. So I hope this tool helped you. If you're using this tool already, do share it. Let us know in the comment that you are using, and They do have a BIM 42. They do have other plugins which is helpful for clash, for grouping, and other room finishing also will be helpful. To check out their website as well. And with that, I'm ending this session. So do subscribe and share it with your learning friends. I'm coming up with more series of tutorials about BIM tools. See you on the next video. Bye bye.